Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to teach you how I created this look. Basically my chiseled cheeks, nose and chin. As you can see, I've created this look by using K Beauty contour stick that is in shade Caramel Camel. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get started. Hi guys, so I'm done with my foundation. I'm going to take this K Beauty contour stick in Caramel Focus. So I'm going to draw this line towards my lip, not touching my lip but towards my lip. Draw an inclined line. And also if you have big forehead like me, then you can also sharpen your forehead by using this contour stick. Basically contour means hiding your area. That's it. So I'm doing my other side of the face. So you can see it's basically a 3. If you want to remember easily, you can remember the digit 3. As you can see, I'm taking this contour brush and I'm blending it out. So the contour blended it really well, as you can see. Now it's time for the nose. Draw a thin line towards your end point of the nose, edges basically. And also touch your eyebrows as well. Blend it with the sponge. Just dab it. As you can see the difference. It created an illusion that I have a sharp nose. So for uplifting my cheeks, I'm using this concealer. Basically draw a triangle to uplift your face because you have contoured your face. So just highlight the areas which you want to highlight and hide the areas which you want to hide it. Contouring is basically hiding, and concealing and highlighting is basically you want to show it up. That's the easy trick. See, my face looks really uplifted this side compared to that. So I'm done. Now I'm baking the areas wherever I have used the concealer. So yeah, I'm done. So yeah guys, this is the final look which I have created by using this contour stick. You can see my cheeks look uplifted, chiseled, and my face looks sharp. So if you like this video, please share, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.